Welcome back. In this short lecture, I just want to demonstrate by going to figmaresources.com, wonderful site where you can actually take a look at various resources. For instance, you can download the social media icons. In fact, not really download, but you can actually duplicate into your Figma desktop or online. You can open directly in Figma. You can take a look at the designer profile, source article, or open resources. So again, these are individuals who have shared these freely. You can feel free to download them and take a look at them. Use them within your app or blog or website design. So you have social media icons. You have iOS, for example, GUI interface for iPhone. You have various logos. You have the Facebook Messenger platform design kit, and so on. There's several of them. So an excellent resource. So I just wanted to quickly touch base on where you can go and actually find additional resources. So go ahead, try them out, open them in Figma, and then if you have any questions, let me know. With this, let's move to the next lecture.